In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file to Squarespace effortlessly. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand precisely how to integrate your file seamlessly onto your site. Let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to the Squarespace dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Pages section, which can be found in the top left column. Selecting Pages is where the magic begins. You'll see all of your existing pages lay before you, providing a structure to your website. It's here that you'll decide the most suitable location for your PDF. Next, pinpoint your shop page, or another product page within this list. This is important because your PDF file will be treated as a product, allowing you to offer it as a downloadable item. Have your page selected? Perfect. Now let's unveil the hidden options that Squarespace offers to enrich your content. You'll need to click on the small plus icon, the one located next to the settings cog in the left-hand corner. This little button may seem small, but it opens up a plethora of options, allowing us to add new content. Navigating through these options, click on Download. This step is crucial, as it's designated to handle files you intend for download, including our PDF. Moving forward, it's time to enter a product name for your PDF. Naming your product is more than just a formality. It will help visitors understand what they're downloading, so choose something descriptive and accurate. While you're here, you might also want to add a description and any additional information relevant to the file. This extra information can be particularly useful, offering your audience insights into what your PDF contains or any prerequisites they might need before accessing it. Now, let's make your product visually appealing. Scroll down to add an image or images that best represent your PDF. A compelling image can enhance interest and engagement, providing a visual cue to your audience about the content of the PDF. Almost there. Continue scrolling until you see the Upload File option. Here's where we thin the herd of complexities. Simply select this option and then upload your PDF file from your device. This step couldn't be easier. Yet it's the pivotal action that gets your page live on your Squarespace site. Once your file is uploaded, you have the opportunity to set a price if you intend to sell the PDF. This flexibility allows you to monetize your content directly through your site. When you've completed all these steps and are satisfied with your setup, remember to hit the Save button located at the top right corner of your screen to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF to your Squarespace site, creating a downloadable product in just a few steps. With this added to your arsenal, you can now offer valuable content directly through your website, enhancing user engagement and potentially driving revenue. Keep exploring Squarespace's features to further enrich your site. Thanks for joining me today.